Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your lineup name on NBA Live game. So let's get started. First, open the NBA Live game on your device. Tap on the My Team option from the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, tap on the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. Here you can see the lineup name option. In the box provided, clear your current lineup name. Then enter the new name that you prefer for your lineup. Finally, tap on the Save button and save the changes. And this is how you can change your lineup name on NBA Live game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.